This is Michael Daly. I'm reading some poems from my new book, Born With, just out from Dos Madres Press, and I'd like to read the poem Furnace. It's a poem from a childhood memory. My mother, as I was a very young child, started working as a cocktail waitress. My dad wasn't very happy about this. He had a full-time career as a civil servant, and didn't like the idea of his wife spending nights out. On the other hand, our house was heated by coal, and she often found herself stoking that coal furnace, all dressed up as a cocktail waitress. So here's the poem. Furnace. We are in the cellar shoveling coal. She shovels. I'm 5. She's angry. Not with me. Christ, I brighten the cave. In cowboy pajamas, I shine the ceiling with quivering flashlight. My memory freezes her bent to the shovel in cocktail waitress skirt and white blouse, in nylons and heels. She clanks the coal chute. Flames roar out the iron door. God's claw. Out of love, my father, his fingers caging a shot glass, calculates her work for tips from drunks with sideburns. Black moles of his eyes dissolve my childhood. He descends like ash down a burning well 100 meters wide. What a diamond is his mind. We live on Annabelle Street, where we play freeze tag. They said we could never die. Coal kept us safe. Stop! I froze us. The planet didn't ricochet. No oil spill rings the moon. Nothing changed. I'm it.